Welcome back, language enthusiasts. Today we are exploring three new words that will add depth to your vocabulary. Let's get started. Our first word is ubiquitous. Spelling U B I Q U I T O U S. Ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means present, appearing, or found everywhere. Smartphones are ubiquitous part of our daily lives. Next up, we have melancholy. Spelling Melancholy. Melancholy. Melancholy is a feeling of deep sadness or sorrow, often with no obvious cause. Music can evoke a sense of melancholy or reflection. And finally, we have a word that describes great joy and happiness. Jubilant. Spelling Jubilant. Jubilant. Jubilant means feeling or expressing great joy, like celebrating a special occasion. Let's all be jubilant in our victories, big or small. There you have it. 3 words to elevate your vocabulary: ubiquitous, melancholy, and jubilant. Use them to express a range of emotions and experience. Until next time, keep exploring the power of words. Bye bye.